In this video, we are going to explore some solutions to solve the problem of the MetaQuest 3 not turning on. The first solution is to press the power button for 30 seconds and wait that you turn it on again. Second solution, you have to press the volume button, this one, for 30 seconds. After that, you have to press the power button for 30 seconds. Okay, next solution is to press at the same time the volume button and the power button and wait 30 seconds. If nothing worked until now, then you have to recharge it for many hours. So you will link the cable to the power supply and to the headset, and you will leave it for at least 6 hours or better the entire night. And then you can try to turn it on again. Another reason why it's not turning on, but it's not very frequent, is that basically this foam around the headset is covering this sensor around here. In this case, the sensor will basically detect something, for example, that is on your head or something else, and it won't work. So this case is not very frequent, but it can happen, and you will have to change the foam.